In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional-looking rolling credits in DaVinci Resolve. This process is perfect for adding a polished finish to your project, giving credit where it's due, and leaving your audience with a lasting impression. Let's kick things off in the Edit page. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar layout of clips and timelines that makes DaVinci Resolve such a powerful editing tool. If you're not already in the Edit page, you can easily switch to it from the main interface. Next, we're going to take advantage of DaVinci Resolve's built-in effects. Look over to the left side of your screen and find the Effects library. Go ahead and click on that. It might be minimized, so just make sure it's expanded by clicking the small arrow if you need to. Within the Effects library, you'll see a section labeled Titles. This is where you'll find a variety of text options for your project. Scroll through these options until you see one called Scroll. This is the effect we'll be using to create our rolling credits. Once you've found the scroll title, click and hold it with your mouse, and then drag it over to your timeline. It's as simple as dragging and dropping it exactly where you want it to appear in your video sequence. You can extend or shorten the duration by dragging the edges of this clip, just like you would with any other clip in the timeline. Now, let's focus on customizing this scrolling effect. To do that, we need to use the Inspector menu, which is a trusty feature for tweaking effects and settings to fit your specific needs. If the inspector isn't already open, you'll find it on the right side of your screen. Simply click on it to expand. Inside the inspector, you'll see an array of settings that you can adjust for the scroll effect. There are several important settings here. You can change the text content itself, adjust its size, pick a different font, and even change the color to best suit your video's aesthetic. This gives you full control over how your final credits will look and ensures everything is perfectly aligned with your vision. Additionally, play around with the speed at which your credits will scroll. This is especially important for readability. Too fast, and your audience might not be able to keep up. Too slow, and it might test their patience. Once you have fine-tuned everything to your liking, you're all set. Simply play back the section to make sure the rolling credits look and behave exactly as you want them to. That's it. A straightforward way to create seamless, professional-looking rolling credits using DaVinci Resolve. Experiment and adjust until it fits your project perfectly. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!